Hello everybody, welcome back my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to recover deleted notification. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, open your setting app and scroll down and tap on notice and status bar, and from here tap on more setting, tap on this. From here you make sure that turn on this toggle notification history. You have turned on, and after that go back your home screen and scroll down and delete your notification. Any notification, delete on Snapchat notification, tap on delete and go back and open your again setting and tap on again notification and status bar, tap on this. And from here you tap on more settings, tap on notification history. You as can see your Snapchat notification, tap on this. You as can see. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.